I'm Hannah, and welcome to my smart home. I'm going to show you how Vida and ConnectLife create a seamless and easy experience between all of my Hisense smart home appliances, but particularly when it comes to cooking. It's my favourite pastime. I love cooking, I love it. So much so that my Vida TV in my living room, I even have my very own, where is it? Where's my truck? There it is. My Pro Chef channel. Okay, this is dedicated to cooking. Loads of live cooking content there, but down here, very exciting. This is my personalised AI-powered recommendations. Ooh, lovely. Bit of Sarah. I love Sarah's midweek meals. Now, I don't know whether you've noticed, but we're actually cooking up some of our own margarita pizzas. Who's had a slice yet? Well, you know what you're doing after the show. Don't go mid-show, after the show. Go and get yourself some pizza. I mean, I love it. Now, with Vida TV, I'm not just watching, I'm interacting with it as well. So, for instance, I can favourite it, I can read the recipe, but my favourite thing, you can customise it with our dish designer, my own AI recipe assistant. So, for instance, I can adjust the recipe with what I've got in. I can tweak it, depends on dietary restrictions, but my favourite thing is the flavour journey. Let's go on the flavour journey. Look at all of this. You can give it a little twist. Let's go and do an Indian-inspired pizza. That looks lovely. All right, I'm going to save that for the future when I want a pizza treat. Now, I love cooking. I love food. I probably think about it a little bit too much, Tommy. I'm not going to apologise for that. I love my food. But planning a whole week for the family, it's stressful, isn't it? But that is where my meal planner comes in. Yes, it's where all the magic happens here. So all of my family members, we each get an avatar and a profile, so you can add your favourite dishes. So for instance, my favourite pizza that I've just seen, where it is, I'm going to put that in to Friday. A little treat after CES and Christmas and New Year and a week in Vegas. The diet starts on Monday, guys. Don't judge me, all right? So this is great, okay? I'm loving adding everything, but again, a whole week, new recipes, I'm a bit overwhelmed. But we're sorting you out here with autofill with AI. It's going to fill in all of those gaps, takes the headache of thinking of loads more recipes, and there we go. It is planned my entire week there. Look at this. But I mean, it's down to me. They can add their own dishes and everything. So for instance, some of these, we've got a few different ones, but I've still got control while still getting a little helping hand. And there's a lot going on here, so if you are a bit confused about what's going on each day, here's the menu for Friday. And speaking of which, let's start cooking. So I'm going to send over my recipe to my kitchen. So we're bringing in that live content that I watch over here onto my smart Hisense TV. There we go. I can watch the video as I go. There we are. I can watch the video, but equally I can fast forward. So for instance, I'm going to preheat my oven, does it for me, sends that over, gets it to the right temperature. Then we can bake it, so I can start cooking it. It even does a steam function, so I'm not fiddling about with all those functions. I don't know what I'm doing. And then on top of that, it'll even suggest the right washing cycle on my dishwasher for all of my pizza making tools. Come on. You like that, Richard? That's clever, isn't it? Which means I've got more time to sit here. There we go, this is where I want to be. Sitting watching more cooking shows. Oh, look at that. I don't even have to worry about the timings. It's monitored over there. And I even get a little pop-up picture notification because my oven has got its own camera in it and it tells me when it's ready. Lovely stuff. Use your imagination, everybody. You can smell the pizza from over here. Ah. And then my lovely pizza. Are you staying for dinner? And a glass of wine? Yeah, you know. CES day one. Start as you mean to go on. And there we go. That is how you can transform the way you cook. And if you like the sound of that dish designer, you need a little bit of food inspiration like me, then you can have a go and play on our recipe slot machines. And AI will whip you up a brand new recipe that you can download and maybe cook when you get back home. So thank you very much. Happy cooking. I'm going to get yourself a slice of pizza. Thank you.